Do you want to learn English vocabulary in a fun way? Let's listen to a short story called The Lost Wallet. At the end, I'll explain 10 useful words and phrases you can start using today. Ravi was walking home after work when he realized something peculiar. His wallet was missing. He checked his pockets again and again, but it was nowhere to be found. He immediately felt anxious. Ravi retraced his steps and went back to the market where he had been shopping. He asked a shopkeeper, "Excuse me, did you see a black wallet around here?" The shopkeeper shook his head. "Sorry, I didn't notice anything." Ravi felt hopeless. Suddenly, a young boy ran up and said, "Sir, are you looking for this wallet? I found it near the fruit stall." Ravi was relieved. He smiled and said, "Thank you so much, you're a lifesaver." Ravi offered the boy some money as a reward, but the boy politely refused. He said, "I just wanted to do the right thing." Ravi went home feeling grateful. Moral: honesty and kindness always make the world better. If you enjoyed this story and learned new vocabulary, use the new vocabularies and phrases you learned today to make your own sentences, and share them in the comments below. I'll be checking and giving feedback. Let's practice together. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share.